Oh my gosh, this is insanity, bro. I got Delta Executor now, iOS and Android today. I just learned how to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it too. So let me join a game just so you guys can see it actually works, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let me hop into this game right here, and you guys can see that the Delta Executor is fully working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool, guys. As you can see, we got all the settings. So this is so cool. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, we got all the options, anti-AFK, all that stuff. So this is pretty funny because like people hate on it, but it's real. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So the first step we're going to do is go to the blocksnova.net. So once you're on this site, there's going to be a button that says Get Delta, so just press that and it will download. But you can see this has like 2.4 million downloads and stuff, so it's pretty cool. So I'm going to press the button that says Get Delta, and it should download straight onto my device. So it's going to ask for your username, guys, so make sure you go ahead and put that in. So let me just enter it right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to enter this, and I'm going to go ahead and press continue. So now it's just going to make sure I'm a real player. So I'm going to press connect, and as you can see, it says user found. So now we just need to turn on this thing that says import Delta Executor. So it is going to say like what script do you want, so this doesn't make a difference really. But I'm going to press continue. So now it's going to load, so let's just give it a second for this to load up just so you guys can see. So anyway, guys, now basically it might say like I'm not a robot, and you might have to go ahead and press that. So let's see, it says API connecting. So as you can see, it says I'm not a robot, so I'm gonna press that, and let's see if it works. All right, and let's see, verified. Yeah, it says it's already installed. All right, so be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super cool. So I hope you enjoyed the video, but that's how to get Delta Executor for your device. So this is super cool, guys. Totally works. 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, I've tested every method. This is the best one. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. So you get all the settings. You get the joystick. I mean, this is crazy. So that's how to get Delta Executor for your device. So be sure to try it out. I mean, I've tested it. There's no ban or anything like that. So you guys are going to be all good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's just super cool, and it's totally working. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and tell your friends about it. And yeah, peace out.